Introducing the OnePlus Nord 3 5G, packed with massive upgrades over its predecessor, featuring MediaTek flagship series SoC and a primary sensor from OnePlus 11. But does it deliver good value for the increased costs? Let's find out in our review. First, let's unbox the phone. Inside the retail box, we found the phone along with 80-watt fast charger and charging cable. The design of the Nord 3 5G feels premium, resembling a more refined version of the OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G. The mystery green color looks great, but it does attract fingerprints and smudges due to its glossy finish. There is also a matte grey variant, and both models come with IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. Talking about the display, the front features a 6.74-inch Super Fluid AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support for smooth video playback apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures seamless scrolling without any stutter. The in-display fingerprint scanner works well but is placed slightly lower than the ideal. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G boasts the flagship grade MediaTek MT6983 Dimensity 9004nm processor. The phone is available in two configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and a whopping 16GB RAM with 256GB storage. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 13.1 based on Android 13, promising 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security update. You will be able to find preloaded OnePlus apps with plenty of options to customize the interface. Talking about performance and RAM management on 16GB variant are excellent, with apps staying in memory and loading smoothly. Benchmark numbers are also solid for this segment. Battery life is also impressive, easily lasting a full day with about 8 hours and 13 minutes of screen on time on medium uses. The 80-watt fast charging can fully charge the Nord 3 from 0 to 100% in 40 minutes only. Now let's talk about the cameras. The rear main camera boasts a 15-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, the same as the OnePlus 11R. Daylight performance is really impressive, capturing all details, dynamic range and vibrant colors. Portrait mode shots offer a natural background blur and accurate skin tones. In low light, there is a good balance of exposure between highlights and shadows. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera is average with cooler color temperature and weaker details around the edges. There is also a 2-megapixel macro camera that is average at best. On the other hand, the 16-megapixel front-facing camera for your selfies performs well in daylight, capturing accurate skin tones and natural portrait blur. Talking about the video, the rear camera can shoot up to 4K 60fps videos with good dynamic range and colors, while the front camera can record only at 1080p 30fps. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G ticks almost all the boxes to be a strong contender for the best smartphone under 40,000 rupees in India. It offers a bigger and better display, flagship grade performance and capable main cameras. The only downsides are the underwhelming ultra-wide camera and the basic IP rating compared to some competitors. The 16GB variant is closely priced to the OnePlus 11R, which offers additional features. But if you want a well-rounded smartphone without stretching your budget too much, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G is still a great buy. Let us know your thoughts about the smartphone in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys.